Imagine yourself at home in Ford's Colony, a multi-generational, planned gated community. Custom designed, 215 Beeston Fields is within the Nottingham Place neighborhood, where the maintenance of your yard is just one of the amenities to enjoy. The impressive entry is flanked by traditional living and dining rooms, but maybe that's the office, music room or education center. The open and light-filled family room and kitchen have French doors to the back deck overlooking green space. The first floor primary suite, along with 3 additional bedrooms, and the room over the garage is a bonus. Within the community, discover the paths that connect you to friends and neighbors, maybe meet up at the gazebo, pool or tennis courts. The location of Ford's Colony allows for easy access for commuting, shopping, history and medical services. Now is the time to make your move to 215 Beeston Fields.